To use Zelle transaction limits effectively, start by understanding what Zelle is. A peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. The first step is to check if your bank or credit union is partnered with Zelle, as this service is typically offered through financial institutions. Once you have confirmed your bank is partnered with Zelle, you need to enroll in the service, which usually involves downloading the Zelle app or accessing it through your bank's mobile app. During enrollment, you will be asked to provide some personal information and link your bank account to Zelle. After enrolling, it is essential to understand the transaction limits set by Zelle in your bank. These limits vary depending on the financial institution, but generally, there are daily and monthly limits on how much you can send and receive. For example, some banks may have a daily limit of $1,000 and a monthly limit of $5,000. To send money using Zelle, simply open the app, select the recipient's email address or mobile number, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. The recipient will then receive the money directly into their bank account, usually within minutes. To receive money, the recipient needs to be enrolled in Zelle, and you need to send the money to their registered email address or mobile number. It is crucial to ensure the recipient's information is correct to avoid any delays or issues with the transaction. Best practices for using Zelle transaction limits include keeping track of your daily and monthly limits, being cautious when sending large amounts of money, and only sending money to people you trust. It is also essential to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In conclusion, using Zelle transaction limits effectively requires understanding the service, enrolling in it, being aware of the transaction limits, and following best practices to ensure safe and secure transactions. By doing so, you can take advantage of the convenience and speed of Zelle while minimizing the risk of errors or fraud.